Ano yung pinakamahirap gawin for love? Ako, ang iisipin ko dyan, ano yung ayaw mong gawin for love?
Meron ka talagang ayaw gawin for love? Ayaw mo gawin?
Well, I'm thinking na kaya kong gawin na hindi kaya ng iba. Yung you're silently sacrificing yourself for everyone else. Halimbawa, yung sinasabi nilang interpretation na pag pinakasalan mo yung asawa mo, hindi lang siya ang pinakasalan mo, parang buong pamilya niya. In that sense, hindi lang din naman yun ang pakikisamahan mo. Pakikisamahan mo rin yung sarili mong pamilya on how to deal with your partner and their family, di ba? So in general, for everyone. And I am doing that for you. I am very willing to sacrifice myself para lahat yon maging harmonious, maging maayos, and to the point na lahat magkaroon ng magandang balanse sa lahat ng factors ng buhay. Everything that I'm doing for my family, your family, it's for you. Not everyone are willing to sacrifice themselves for other people, for their partner. Ako yun yung perspective ko. For as long as I can help everyone around us at alam kong para sa'yo yun, gagawin ko.